Hello and welcome to Energy Insights. Today we are looking towards the impact of the recent development, particularly on the energy storage aspect, which is a very key component of the energy strategy and the energy value chain. So let's start that how the Middle East crisis is reshaping the global energy storage, and this is the topic of our today's episode. And the ongoing tensions in the Middle East are once again raising alarms for the global energy security. While most headlines focus on the oil prices and supply disruption, one area is often overlooked, that's the energy storage. From strategic oil reserves to the LNG storage terminals, the ability to store energy is now as critical as producing of the energy. According to the International Energy Agency (IEA), energy storage systems are essential to stabilize markets when geopolitical crises disrupt supply. In this video, we will explore how the Middle East situation is affecting the oil storage, LNG storage, and the global energy security. So overall, we are dividing into the four segments, the today's episode, and then we will have to conclude our discussion. So under the segment one, we are looking towards the strategic oil reserves in the context of the energy storage. One of the first response to the energy disruption is the use of strategic petroleum reserves. IEA member countries maintain emergency stockpiles designed to stabilize the market when supply is disrupted. This system created after 1970s oil crisis, and it remains critical even today. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important choke points, carries roughly one-fifth of the global oil trade. Any threat here immediately affects the global markets. According to the IEA Oil Market Report, global oil inventories and strategic reserves act as a buffer against the extreme price volatility, providing countries with temporary relief while supply chains adjust. During the geopolitical tensions, countries increasingly rely on the stored reserves to keep the energy flowing. So for the oil, it's a very important, and it's a long history since 1970s. Similarly, under the segment two, we are looking towards the LNG storage and the gas security. Natural gas markets are equally sensitive. Facilities like the Ras Laffan Industrial City, operated by Qatar Energy, supply a significant portion of the global energy. Any disruption can tighten the global gas markets within weeks. The IEA Global Gas Security Review emphasizes that adequate LNG storage is essential for managing supply volatility. Europe, heavily dependent on the LNG imports, has been aggressively refilling its gas storage facilities to ensure winter supply. Similarly, Asian countries are expanding LNG storage facilities and the regasification terminals to avoid shortages. This competition for LNG storage is reshaping the global energy security and market dynamics today. Under the segment 3, we are looking towards the energy storage hubs. That what are the development and the storage hubs, how the new hubs are being appearing under the circumstances, and how the need is rising for such storage hubs. So the global energy storage hubs are becoming increasingly strategic. Take the example of Fujairah in the UAE, which is located outside the Strait of the Hormuz. Fujairah provides a safer alternative for the oil storage and trading. Storage hubs like this allow companies to manage logistics, respond to market volatility, and mitigate risk from the geopolitical disruption. During crisis, these hubs play a critical role in stabilizing both the oil and gas flows globally, reinforcing the fact that energy security is just not a production, it's a storage too. And in this regard, now the world is awareing, and the rate of awareness is rising to develop the energy storage, particularly the oil and the LNG storages. Similarly, the segment 4, which is basically we are looking to the IEA outlook and the future trend. Looking ahead, the IEA World Energy Outlook predicts that the energy storage will become an even more central to energy security. Countries are investing in large crude oil tank farms, expanded LNG storage and regasification facilities, floating storage units for rapid deployment, and strategic reserves to buffer supply shocks. This ensures that the energy markets remain resilient to the face of both geopolitical tensions and the growing global demand. To conclude about these four segments, it is To be summarized, the Middle East crisis is reshaping the global energy storage. Strategic oil reserves, LNG storage infrastructure, energy hubs like Fujairah are now critical tools for stabilizing the global energy markets. According to the IEA, energy storage is no longer just a backup; it is now a core component of the modern energy security. So it's all about of today's episode. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates on the global energy markets.